Do you want to know?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. Our topic for today is how to make YouTube membership badges. Here are the steps on how to make badge. I use Canva application to make my badge. Number 1, go to Canva application. Number 2, type badge on the search box. Number 3, choose any template logo badge you want. I use template logo badge because it's easier to edit it. Number 4, just delete the elements that you want to change. Example, the text, you can just delete it. Number 6, add text on your logo if you want. Number 7, select text. Number 8, type the text you want on your logo. Number 9, change the font style, font size, and font effect if you wish. Just follow the red arrow to change your font. Here I change the font color from black to white. And then I press effect. So I will have the style of the font that I want. So I want my font to have like a shadow effect. So I adjust it from here. Number 10, add sticker if you want additional design on your badge and adjust it. So I choose the wing sticker and I adjust it. Then I put circle sticker on the top of the wings and adjust it. Number 11, change the color and size of the sticker. So what I did, I changed the circle sticker from pink to red, and I changed the wings sticker color from black to yellow. Just be creative in making your badge because it is your design, so it is your choice. Now this is my final badge. So number 12, save it. This is how I made my join button badges, and I did put this in my emoji. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.
Do you want to know?